How to replace the FlexTrac CTS exe file. Make sure you have closed CTS completely. Our team will send you a link for you to download the CTS exe file. Save and download the file from the link in the Downloads folder on your PC. Now go to Downloads and click on the zip folder. Extract to your PC, example extract to desktop. Once is extracted, open the extracted folder and copy this CTS file. Close the folder. Now on the desktop, select the icon for FlexTrac named CTS7. Right-click and select the option Open File Location. Once the location is open, right-click and paste the file you copied previously. When the pop-up window shows, select Replace the file in the destination. Close the folder and open. Start FlexTrac CTS.